Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to solve the SAT 2 of Business Studies paper. You can see the question paper code is 6652. Remember SAT 1, 2 and 3, all the sets have mostly same MCQs and case study questions are also same, just a sequence has been changed. So let us see the first MCQ. We are starting with first MCQ. Here we can see two statements are given and both are related to product only. So product relates to not only physical product but also benefits. It is correct. The concept product does not include extended product by the way of services. This statement is wrong. So that's why here answer is C. Statement 1 is correct and second is incorrect. In second question, it is related to improvement of job performance. And here they will progress towards maturity and actual of their potential capacities. So it is talking about concept development. So answer is option C, development. In question number 3, we can see in these case studies, here the Himanshu marketing manager is there, and here he is comparing. He analyzing the situation and found the new salesman appointed last month was not good, and for this he took necessary actions. So he is comparing here actually what is the target and what is actual performance. So and that's why you can see here the answer is controlling, option D. In question number 4, whether decisions have been translated into action or not, here also the answer is controlling only. Next is different organizations have different goals, and here one Zippo upcoming retail providing chain is there, and his objective is to increase the educational increase sales. Another education is there, Ally educational organization working for objective providing education. So two different type of organization, their goal is totally different. So here they want to say that management is a goal oriented activity. So we can see option A is the answer. Question number 6 is talking about two environment. One is a decision of government and another is a technological. So definitely the answer is political and technological. Next is in 7 question also case study is there. We can see here Dolma and Uma gardeners are there, and here we can see the new kind of opportunities there for plant lovers, and they are taking the first mover advantage here, identifying opportunity and getting first mover advantage. How we come to know that? Here some lines are there by which they were the first one to recognize need. From this line we can recognize the answer is option C. Now question number 8, we can see the obligation of subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty is called responsibility. Next is Cartoony Planet and Tiny Tots. They both are here competing. Let us see. So the above information highlighted with feature of business environment. So here the answer is dynamic in nature, because they are competing with each other. Cartoony Planet and Tiny Tots. Okay. Next is question number 10. One picture is there, very interesting picture is there. Factory gate and required merchandiser, security guards. So it is an example of direct recruitment. Next question number 11. Here the purpose of planning is to meet future events effectively, and here they are asking which feature of planning is there. So here the answer is planning is futuristic because they want to meet the future events. Now the question number 12 is here. The next step of selection process is selection decision is medical examination. Next is a question number 13. We can see a negative question is there. Which of the following is not a factor affecting capital structure? Here the answer is option B, growth opportunities. It does not affect. Next is also about negative question which is incorrect about personal selling, and here the answer is B. It offers short-term incentives and designed to encourage. It is not related with personal selling. Next is we can see the name, term, sign, symbol, design or combination is a brand mark. Okay, so it is a brand mark. Next is a 17 number question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Here the question, second sentence, secondary market is the market where securities are sold by the company. No, here it is not right. So B is the correct answer. In question number 18, we can see most commonly used tool of a promotion, and where sponsor bears the cost of communication, it is advertising. In question number 19, we can see dash refers to increase of profit by of equity shareholder due to presence of fixed financial charges, that is trade on equity. Next is match the followings. Here we can see the answers are there. Here nature of business, technology upgradation. So A is related with A only, and other functions are like this. So option A is the correct answer here. Okay, so here MCQs are over. Let us see some other questions. Here question number 21. Here they are asking Vibhu discussed an important principle of management. Identify and explain the principle with the help of an example. So here we can see here the answer is a scalar chain, because we can see here the Vibhu is talking about you can see here organizations should have a chain of authority and communication that runs to top to bottom. And here also he's talking about, he also added the fourth routine matter of worker cannot directly contact with CEO, but in emergency he may contact. So here definitely it is a scalar chain, and with example use the diagram and explain this. Next is question number 22. So here Monica and Rasmi and Garima, they are childhood friends, and they are talking about the profession. So definitely here you can see Monica is saying something and Rasmi is saying something, but ultimately the conclusion is that we have to explain the features of profession in context of management. And here direct questions are there, so no need to explain. Here also we can see some direct questions. Here also direct questions are there, but here one question is a case study. We can see here Harish is working as finance manager. So here they are they are talking about financial planning, and we have to explain two objectives. So the concept is financial planning, and its objective we can explain, which is also mentioned in the case study only. Next is question numbers are not given, but some we can understand. Samiksha is a class 12 student, and in this case study it's a long case study, but here they are talking about responsibilities of consumer, and most of the consumer like taking cash memo, reading booklet, and purchasing standardized products, and following the instruction. So many things are there which every consumer has to follow. So responsibility of consumers is the answer here. Next is here question number 30 is there. Here one enterprises is offering monetary incentives to their employees. Now we have to explain other four incentives. Here we can see share in profit is there, bonus is there, and we have to explain some other we can explain like productivity linked incentives, stock option, retirement benefit, some perquisites, etc. Next is question number 31 is a direct question, so no need to explain anything. In question number 32 also direct question is there, and question number 33, it is related to COVID-19. So we can see here due to COVID-19 the people have developed, you can see they started meeting every Saturday and Sunday on a ground near their office building. So here they have developed the informal organization. So here answer is informal organization, and we can explain advantage and limitation of this concept. Last question is very important and very confusing also, but here the no need to see after reading the case study also the last line we can see explain any three components of physical distribution discussed in above case. So we need to find, see the question is already clear, components of any, they are talking about any. So we can explain transportation, warehouse, inventory control, order processing, etc. So thank you very much.